Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about self-care. So join me as I completely challenge myself, transform my self-care routine, and take it to the next level. So my first question is, why is self-care important? And that is simple. Taking care of ourselves is essential for maintaining our mental and physical health. It is about recognizing that we're worth it, that we need to feel good, and that we need to prioritize our well-being. Let's face it, we've all been there. We know we should be taking better care of ourselves, but somehow we just can't seem to make it a priority. We get so caught up in our busy lives, and self doesn't seem to be a priority, right? It's now become on the back seat. We might even feel guilty for taking time out for ourselves, like we're being selfish or indulgent. But the truth is, taking care of ourselves isn't selfish, it is necessary. Time is a big one, it's always a challenge. We're always running on a tight schedule, trying to cram as much as possible into our days, and we're already feeling overwhelmed. The idea of adding one more thing to our to do list can feel like just too much. Plus, let's be real, sometimes we just don't feel like it. We're tired, we're stressed, and the last thing we want to do is to take a relaxing bath or to go on a walk. So the question is, how do we overcome these obstacles and make self-care a priority? And that's what we're going to explore today. Number one, mindfulness. It is a great place to start. It is all about being present in the moment. It is letting go of worries about the past or future and just being. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or just paying attention to your senses. The feeling of your feet on the ground, the sound around you, and the sensation of the air on your skin. Exercise is another great way to take care of yourself. It doesn't have to be anything drastic, which brings me to my journey. So I've lost 35 pounds in the last 4 months. Taking a short walk each day, or even just doing a few jumping jacks during a commercial break, can make a huge difference. Finally, hobbies are a fantastic way to nourish your mind and soul. You see what I have back here? A piano. So whether it's painting, making music, cooking, making time for activities that you enjoy, it can bring so much joy and fulfillment into your life. The beauty of self-care is not about making huge changes. It's about making small tweaks to your daily routine that can add up to make an impact. For example, instead of scrolling through your phone before bed, try reading a book or listening to some calming music. Instead of grabbing coffee on the go, try taking a few extra minutes to enjoy a cup at home. These little changes might seem insignificant on their own, but they can really add up over time. One of the most powerful things I've learned about self-care is that it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's not about making some grand sweeping changes to your life. It's about making small incremental changes that you can sustain over time. And it's not about achieving some kind of ideal state of wellness. It's about honoring your body and mind where they are right now. So the key is to find what works for you and making it a habit. Experiment with different practices, try new things, um, just see what sticks, and don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day or two. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. So let's recap. So we've talked about some of the more common challenges that might be holding you back from prioritizing your self-care. And we've explored some simple, practical strategies for making self-care part of your daily routine. Remember, it's not about making huge changes. It's about making small, sustainable tweaks that can make a huge difference over time. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you have a favorite self-care practice that you love, please share it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more wellness advice, please like and subscribe because I will be making more videos regarding more tips